In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link email to a contact form in Wix. By the end of this walkthrough, your Wix contact form will be connected to your email, so every time someone submits the form on your site, you'll receive a notification straight to your inbox. First, start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll usually land on the main setup or dashboard page for your site. If you don't see that right away, look to the left-hand panel and click on the site you want to work on so that you're taken to its setup area here. You should see an option in the top right that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click Edit Site, and this will open the Wix site editor in a new view. When the editor loads, you'll see your website layout exactly as visitors would see it. Take a moment to navigate to the page that contains the contact form you want to connect to your email. Once you've located the form, click directly on it to select it. You should see some options appear near the form, including one that says Edit Form. Click Edit Form. After you click Edit Form, a pop-up window will appear. Sometimes this pop-up can take a few moments to fully load, especially if your connection is a bit slow, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Just give it a moment. When it's ready, you'll see several tabs across the top of this pop-up, such as Edit, Preview, Settings, and Submissions. Click on the tab labeled Settings. This is where you manage what happens behind the scenes when someone fills out your form. Inside the Settings tab, scroll down until you find a section called Notifications and Automations. This is the key area for connecting your form to your email. Within this section, you'll see an item that says something like New Submission Received From. To the right of this text, there will be a small icon for more options, often represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click that icon. From the drop-down that appears, look for an option that allows you to toggle the status from inactive to active. Turn it on so that it's active. Once you've done that, don't forget to click Save in the top right of the pop-up or the editor. This makes sure your changes are applied, and that's it. From now on, whenever someone submits that contact form on your Wix site, their submission will be sent directly to your email.